Please subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to successfully make the acrylic round keychains. This is just an example of the ones that I had put together and kind of what they look like. I'm going to be showing you today how you can make the backgrounds without having to pay for any pre-made acrylics or files. So the first thing you want to do is go to your search engine, and what I searched for was, for instance, the first one was free chevron patterns. And I just picked one, and this one, free photo. So I just went ahead and saved the image as chevron. Okay, and then you go to Cricut Design Space and go to upload, and then find your file. It's right here. Go ahead and open it. I always hit complex, continue. I'm gonna change my color tolerance to 75 to 100. And then all you need to do is just go in and erase one of the colors. You can erase the black or the white. I'm just gonna erase the white for this. Okay. Look at it, go ahead and hit continue, cut image, then upload. Then let's go ahead and insert this image. Okay, and now what you need to do is just resize it. And then you need to know how big your rounds are. And these ones are 2 inches. So I went ahead and just made a circle, and I made the circle 2 inches. And then all you need to do is put it over your background, highlight that, and hit slice. And then when you move it away, you'll see that it is there. Okay, I'm going to show you one more, and that's going to be the leopard print. So all I did was go to Google, did free leopard print background, black and white. Go to images, and for instance this one is free. If you visit their website here, you can download this one for free, and you'll see in Design Space when you go to upload it that when you go to advanced options, if you change your color tolerance to 100, it'll erase the background, and this is what it's going to leave. Hit continue, and then upload. Okay, after you import the image, then I'm just going to resize it. And I did find with the leopard print, it is better to keep the leopard print a little bit bigger. It's a lot easier to weed. And then I'm going to just take my shape, find my circle, change the size to 2 inches, pick an area, highlight them both, and slice, then erase the extra circles, and there you go. And the last thing you can do, if you notice a lot of little tiny pieces along the edge that you don't want to weed out, all you need to do is click on this image, come down here to contour, and then you can hide those extra little tiny pieces, and that'll make it a lot easier to weed. And now we're ready to make them.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.